Now, what's up everybody? It's Future Tech Breakdown back with another video. Today we're diving deep into 28 inventions that are going to change the game. Tech that seems like it's straight out of science fiction, but trust me, this stuff is right around the corner. Let's kick things off with smart contact lenses. Imagine popping these in and having the world's smallest computer screen built right in. See everything from notifications to navigation without pulling out your phone. These lenses could also monitor your health in real time. Next up, drone delivery. Sophisticated autonomous drones can deliver your packages faster and cheaper. Imagine ordering takeout and having it arrive at your doorstep in minutes. Drone delivery is about to change the game. Let's talk about wearable health monitors. Devices that go beyond basic fitness trackers, monitoring heart rate, sleep patterns, and more. All this data goes straight to your doctor, catching potential problems early. It's like having a personal health assistant with you 24/7. Let's talk about advanced AI assistants. AI that can manage your schedule, book appointments, and order groceries. Imagine an AI that knows you better than you know yourself, making your life smoother and more efficient. Buckle up for Hyperloop transportation, traveling at speeds over 700 miles per hour from LA to SF in under 30 minutes. Magnetically levitating pods in near vacuum tubes. Say goodbye to long commutes and hello to a new world of travel. Next up, smart fabrics. Clothes that can change color, heat up, and even charge your devices. Smart fabrics can monitor your health and track fitness. The future of fashion is looking pretty smart. Let's talk about 3D printed food. Printers that create customized meals on demand. Imagine printing out a pizza with your favorite toppings. 3D printed food could revolutionize the way we eat. Augmented reality glasses are next, overlaying digital information onto the real world. See reviews for restaurants or get turn-by-turn directions. AR glasses will take your gaming experience to a new level. Let's get serious about biodegradable plastics. Materials that break down naturally over time without harming the environment. Imagine a world where plastic bottles and bags decompose into harmless substances. Quantum computers are going to blow your mind, exponentially faster and more powerful than current computers, capable of solving problems impossible for today's supercomputers. Quantum computing will revolutionize medicine, AI, and more. Smart home systems are next, homes that learn your habits and anticipate your needs, adjusting temperature, lighting, and even brewing your coffee. Smart home systems will make your life more convenient. Electric flying cars are here, soaring above traffic jams, zipping through the air. No more red lights or rush hour. Flying cars will revolutionize transportation. Solar-powered devices are good for the planet and your wallet. Phones, laptops, cars and homes powered by the sun. Solar-powered devices are becoming more efficient and affordable. Advanced prosthetics are truly inspiring. Artificial limbs that can be controlled with your mind. Prosthetics that can feel sensations and restore mobility. Technology improving lives in meaningful ways. Smart mirrors will upgrade your morning routine. Mirrors that show weather forecasts and play music, giving fashion advice and tracking fitness goals. Start your day smarter with smart mirrors. Vertical farming will change the way we grow food. Skyscrapers filled with crops, growing food in stacked layers, a sustainable solution to feeding our growing population. Holographic displays will blow your mind. Real, three-dimensional projections you can interact with. Movies that come to life and virtual meetings that feel real. Holographic displays will revolutionize entertainment and communication. Smart water purifiers are essential for clean water. Advanced sensors and filtration systems remove contaminants, monitoring water quality in real time and ordering replacement filters. Clean water on demand, accessible to everyone. Autonomous vehicles will change the way we drive. Self-driving cars are here and being tested on our roads. A world without traffic accidents and more efficient commutes. Autonomous vehicles will make our roads safer. Smart waste management is incredibly important. Systems that use sensors and data analysis to optimize waste collection, making our cities cleaner, greener, and more efficient. Personal air purifiers are becoming increasingly important. Small devices that clean the air around you, removing pollutants. Breathe fresh, clean air wherever you go. Advanced robotics are straight out of a sci-fi movie. Robots that perform complex tasks, from surgery to space exploration. Working alongside humans, making jobs easier and safer, advanced robotics will revolutionize countless industries. Smart lighting is often overlooked but important. Lighting systems that adjust automatically based on preferences, creating a more comfortable, energy-efficient living environment. Wearable translators will break down language barriers. Real-time translation through earbuds or augmented reality glasses, opening up a world of possibilities for communication and travel. Smart glasses transparently awesome, windows that change opacity and display information, car windshields with navigation info, and sunglasses that adjust tint. Smart glass will change how we interact with the world. Advanced medical devices are revolutionizing healthcare. Devices that diagnose and treat conditions with precision, making treatments less invasive and more effective. Smart agriculture is vital to our survival. Technology optimizing every aspect of farming, increasing efficiency and reducing waste. Space tourism is becoming a reality. Private companies making space travel more accessible, inspiring future generations to reach for the stars. So, there you have it, folks. 28 mind-blowing inventions. From smart contact lenses to quantum computers, the future is exciting. As technology advances, who knows what amazing inventions await us. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you next time.